party, a big bummy. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner with drink gutty. Now they wanna snap me.
Look at my skin. It's glowing.
Celebration. This one for all my people that couldn't make it. Spent nights on the blue mat.
Hi guys, good morning. So I think it's past 6 a.m. I'm trying to like round up because we are running late already. I made I'm packing Zion's lunch box. This is the one he's going to eat now. I made an egg sauce for him. So this is yam. His sauce. When I get upstairs, I'm going to add water for him here. He likes like chilled water. I'll put it for him here. This pack is for his biscuits, his snack, like his biscuits. This is his fruits. I pack his biscuits and his fruits in case anyone who feel like having them. In case you feel like having anyone. But he normally finish everything. Zion is not the person that you say you feel like having. Anything you give him, he finish all. His biscuits and his cutleries set. I'm going to bring his yogurt now. I've stopped giving my kids packed juice. I don't like it. Honestly, the sugar intake is too much. I'd rather give them yogurt or normal fresh juice, like freshly made juice. Either I make what's it called, watermelon juice or pineapple, apple, whatever, like. Or I'll make yogurt, maybe Greek yogurt, and I'll sweeten it myself. That's what I normally do now. I don't like giving them packed juice again. This is his yogurt. This is strawberry yogurt, and he loves it. He's going to finish them. I think it's more healthier than. So I'm talking too much, and we're going it already. Let's go. Let's wrap this up, okay? Zion, let's go. We are late.
I go Canada, go Tokyo, nobody like you. I'm a today do.
Hi guys, so I've dropped Zion in school. I need to, when I get to the house, I want to do a little exercise, just a little exercise. I have someone coming to the house to carry clothes for their kids, for her kids. And what am I saying? She's a wholesaler, so she's selling clothes. She's coming to take buy outfits from me. And after that, I'll do a little exercise. After the exercise, I'll go and make my nails today. Guys, if you see what is under this hair, I'm looking very crazy. Anyway, you guys saw it now. My weaving is bad. Like, I'm looking homeless. I need to go and like set, and my friend booked a massage section for me, but that one will be tomorrow. I'm going to do that tomorrow. But today, what I basically need to do is I've asked my sister to re-wig my weaving, sorry. Then I'll go and make my nails, my toenails, my fingernails. And guys, can you believe that I had birthday and I did not have a shoot. Like, I did not do video photo shoot, but I'm going to do it on Friday. Yes, my tailor disappointed me. 1, 2, there are some unforeseen circumstances around me, and there are a lot of stuff surrounding it. So I'm going to do the shoot on Friday. Then I think that's basically it for today. If my lash appointment is by 2, that means I'm going out this morning to make my nail. Then I'll go and make my lashes by 2. I think it's today or tomorrow. Honestly, I can't remember, but I will check. Once I check, I will do everything. Sell my markets, do what I got to do, and leave the house because I've already cooked. So there is food in the house. I made soup yesterday night. I stuck them in the freezer, and I made yam this morning for them. That's not
Maka woke Jorama. Come sit down to make I dance for you, oh my man. Sugar day for my body. Yeah. If it no be you, tell me what I want do. Ogechi, ogegi, come on. And my babo, come on. My one in a mini, baby, that I good.
Around you, Charlie, give me the tightest song me ever getting on my life. Oh, yeah. I really could see they do to me. Oh, they suiting me for body.
Hi guys, so since after the time that I spoke to you guys, like when the woman left, the lady that came to buy clothes left, I slept off. Like I didn't know what happened. I slept off. I've been sleeping since. Thank God, like I put my alarm on one. Immediately it was 1 o'clock. My alarm woke me up. The exercise I said I would do, I did not even do it. So I'm going to Zion School to pick him up. After picking him up, I have my lash appointment. I'm already late. This is because I had to have my bath, do other things before coming out. I'm already late. My lash person is calling me. I need to get to school before the lash, everything. And my tailor is calling me. I don't know why. I don't know what she's saying. But anyway, we'll meet up somewhere. We'll meet up because my lash people, she know they waste time. Like she doesn't like you. She doesn't like waiting for people. That's basically she needs you to be there before your lash appointment time. So I'm kind of hating up things to meet up. So I'll see you guys later. Guys, I'm here. I'm waiting for them to bring Zion outside. Hello. I should give me. Thank you, baby. Where did you get this thing from, Sam?
Mommy.
Yes, my baby.
Yeah, I want you.
This sun is killing. Guys, I'm here for my lashes and lash bar. Wait. From my tailor's place. Okay, look at her. Okay, she won't go now.
Love is not enough, baby. Come to me, my love. Come to me, my love. Love me all you hate me.
You are uniform material now.
Don't mess with me.
Don't put silver material. Yeah, I got you for free. All those free. And I'm not but I want meaning.
Go back to where they before. We don't
That material you give me.
Shiba, girl, you make me sinner. Shiba, don't make me pull the trigger. No, how they feel juju, how they feel, fear for living. How they feel juju, how they feel, you don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Ooh, I thought we this together. Give you my necklace and pendant. Show you my best friend and I give you my last Curtis pendant. Girl, I'll be foolish if I don't let you indulge me. Your lips like poison. I'll take my time with you. I need to wish me. Never be a boss.
Yes. Hi guys, did you guys see any difference from my face? I think I'm done with my lashes. My face is popping. Period. So I'm going to Kitchen Pastries. I want to go and get salad for me and my friend, and from there I'll go to the base to get suya for my sisters. They want to eat suya, so that is it basically for today, and I will go home. Let's go, guys. Okay. Goodness, look at that glow, guys. I'm at Kitchen Pastries now, so let's go inside. These kitchen pastries, guys. Let's go. I'm at Kitchen Pastries now. I want to buy salad for me and my baby girl. Then from there, I'll go to the base and buy suya for my sisters and my girls. So that's basically what I'm okay. I'm going to pick my friend up. I'm going to pick her up. She wants to go and buy fish. So I'm going to go to her house. If I give her the salad, I'll take her to buy fish. Then that's basically for today. Then I'll go home. Okay?
Ain't no treasure, keep to bonding. Everybody in a bucket. So you don't see I'm falling for you. Atilo, Otilo,
Guys, this fish roll is so nice. And it's so soft, it's so moist. Kitchen Pastries. You are the best. Honestly, I'm losing my weight, but I can't seem to like control myself with this. Jesus. It's so nice. Fire. Do you know what? It's doing me to go back and get more for my babies, like for Bobo. Let me go back, guys. Let me get more of this. So nice. Hi guys, so I got it. It was remaining just 4 pieces. 2 and 2. I got the 4 pieces. I know Bobo is going to like it because these are the kind of thing that he normally likes. So I'll just give him one and give my baby girl. Maybe if he's going to school tomorrow, I'll put one in his lunchbox. That's what I will do. But this is so nice. This was so nice. Kitchen Pastries, you are what you think you are. You are what you think you are. Kudos. Hi guys. What do you want to eat? What is salad?
Salad.
Healthy living.
Yes, we are watching our weight.
Welcome, also burus. Akajak nile. Akajak wam. It's salute. I am hearing ya. I am missing 1 million over come. Now, person get this one. Yeah. Oh yeah, give me ram now. What do you know? Hi guys, we are here to come now. It's suya. Want to buy this here? Come this side. It's actually bright. It's not that bright. Okay. Enugu nightlife. Period. The best here in Enugu. Yeah. I don't think. But I don't know. They are good though, but not like the best. Everybody there here. Sorry, I'll go. What the problem? This suya pepper.
Okay, with the seller.
How much?
8,000 with the seller. This rubber.
8,000. You don't give me 5,000. This one, how much? I be your customer. I get one of your brother. Why I get the cheaper? No see that the single one.
Okay, I like it. Not around.
Trendy pasta.
No, it's not around.
The next day.
Hi guys, so my mechanic took my car to service it and everybody has gone to school. I'm alone in this house with this girl. We are so bored. What is it? We are so bored. We want to go to our shop. That's where we're going to now. Please, I'll see you guys later. Okay.
Chikeregi, okeregi nyemu opimo. I go Canada, go Tokyo, nobody like you. Yameremjina bogi, you today do you.
Hi guys, I'm just coming back from school runs now. But my car is back. We use Uber to do school runs and every other thing. This is why I don't like going to meet Joy, because if I go there, I will not do anything that I said I want to do. I did not do anything. Say hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hi. Sit down so that you eat.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit down.
Guys, as I was saying before, I want to feed Zion. He just came back from school. After feeding him, I'm going to bet him. After betting him, he will sleep off. What do you want to eat? He's having sobo and let me show you guys. Where are you going to? Coconut rice. I made this in the morning, so he's having coconut rice, zobo, and plantain. I don't know what's wrong. Okay. So guys, it's been one hell of a boring day. Honestly speaking, I went out like have a little fun, but I did not have fun. So after feeding Baba, I'm going to kitchen pastries. Period. I just want to make myself happy today. I want to eat junk food well. So I'm going to kitchen pastries to go and get that fish roll I got yesterday. It bangs. So I've already called them. They are making like the fish roll for me. Okay, I'll let you know when I'm going. Okay, see you later. Let me feed Zion. Look at my skin. It's glowing. Everything is in. Oh Jesus Christ, guys, please let's go to kitchen pastries. Just don't mind me, okay?
Absorbing the yellow and porous is here. Oh, I don't put on just be something you wear. Good job over there, you blow like a fish.
So we are going, guys.
We drink Gary, now they wanna snap pictures. I live flashy. You gonna stop me, huh? It what? Belutani? Impossible. Every day is a celebration. This one for all my people that couldn't make it. Spent nights on the blue mat.
Guys, I added extra 50 grams to this hair, and it's now looking very cute. I like how big it's looking. So in case if you want to get it, holla at me, because I see some of you in my DM asking me where I get my hairs. Guys, I'm selling hair. I sell hair, so that is what some of you doesn't know. So in case if you need a good nice hair, holla at your baby girl, okay? I sell hairs as well. I sell okay, and I sell hairs too. So I added extra 50 grams to this hair. Just 50 grams. Look at, it's not everywhere. And this is how I like my hair. Very puffy. Boom. This is very good. I got it with the Zobo. Zanzibar is nice as well. Like everything about getting pastries. Eh, so good. So good. So nice.
I'm so many